Hi, I'm Trevor Groves from Bell Maison Realty, and it's my pleasure to present 19 Maureen Court, Broadbeach Waters. This is one of the best constructed new homes on the market by renowned craftsman Beath Building. Exceptional in design, position and lifestyle, this contemporary waterfront property is only minutes to Broadbeach restaurants, cafes and Golden Beach. High ceilings, clean lines and glass expanses allow the interior to highlight water and skyline views from the open plan living and gourmet kitchen complete with butler's pantry. Submerge yourself in the sparkling in-ground pool while family and friends relax in their choice of outdoor areas or take your boat on a day trip on our beautiful Gold Coast waterways. 19 Maureen Court, make this your new address.